Imagine a 70-ton machine gliding across rough terrain, outpacing a running human, and firing a massive cannon with pinpoint accuracy, all at once. This is the M1A2 Abrams, the main battle tank of the United States Army and Marine Corps. Its size is staggering, bigger than a delivery truck, heavier than a dozen elephants, yet it moves with surprising agility. The Abrams is a marvel of engineering, a rolling fortress that blends brute force with advanced technology. Every part, from its unique engine to its computer-driven targeting system, is designed for power, protection, and precision. It's not just about being tough, it's about being smart and giving its crew the edge in the world's most dangerous situations. We're about to break down what makes this tank tick, how it moves, fights, and protects its crew. Forget Hollywood, the real Abrams is even more fascinating. Let's dive in and see what makes this steel giant the king of the battlefield. This is the full breakdown of one of the most dominant land vehicles ever built. Before we get into the Abrams, let's define a main battle tank, or MBT. It's the primary fighting vehicle on the battlefield, built to break through enemy lines and destroy tough targets. Every MBT is designed around three principles: mobility, firepower, and survivability. Mobility means crossing rough terrain, mud, sand, hills, without getting stuck and maneuvering quickly in combat. This requires a powerful engine, strong transmission, and a suspension that can take a beating. Firepower isn't just about a big gun. It's about the right gun, the right ammo, and the ability to hit moving targets with precision. Advanced computers and stabilization systems turn the main gun into a high-precision weapon. Survivability is all about protection. Thick, advanced armor, smart ammo storage, and systems to keep the crew safe from fire, explosions, and chemical threats. If any side of this iron triangle is weak, the tank fails. The Abrams is a masterclass in balancing all three, with crew safety as the top priority. That's what makes it the backbone of modern armored warfare. Let's see how each of these principles comes to life in the Abrams. This is the anatomy of a main battle tank. How does a 70-ton tank avoid sinking into the ground? Tracks. Wide, long tracks spread the weight, like snowshoes on snow, letting the Abrams float over mud, sand, or snow. Each track is a belt of steel pads wrapped around wheels, driven by a rear sprocket, kept tight by a front idler, and supported by road wheels. The ride is rough, so the Abrams uses a torsion bar suspension. Each road wheel twists a metal bar, absorbing shocks and smoothing the ride. This setup gives the Abrams incredible off-road mobility, letting it maintain high speeds over brutal terrain. Mobility isn't just about moving, it's a tactical advantage. The tank can quickly reposition, flank enemies, or escape danger. Tracks and suspension are the foundation of the Abrams' battlefield agility. Without them, it's just a heavy metal box. But with them, it's a fast, flexible war machine. That's how the Abrams dominates the ground. Let's look at what powers those tracks. Next up, the engine. What moves 70 tons of steel at over 40 miles per hour? Not a diesel, but a gas turbine engine, the Honeywell AGT-1500. This engine is more like a jet than a truck motor, producing wild 500 horsepower and a signature high-pitched whine. The gas turbine's power-to-weight ratio gives the Abrams rapid acceleration, crucial for dodging threats and seizing cover. It's also multi-fuel diesel, kerosene, jet fuel, whatever's available in the field. Power from the turbine goes to a massive automatic transmission, converting high-speed output into the torque needed to move those heavy tracks. The driver can focus on steering, not shifting gears. Downsides? Fuel consumption is huge. The Abrams can burn through 500 gallons in a few hours. The engine's hot exhaust also makes it easy to spot with thermal cameras. That's why tanks are often transported long distances by truck or train. Still, the benefits, speed, flexibility, and raw power, make the gas turbine the heart of the Abrams. It's a unique solution to a massive engineering challenge. Now, how does this beast actually steer? Let's find out. Tanks don't have front wheels. They steer by controlling the speed of each track. To turn, the driver makes one track go faster than the other, pivoting the tank around the slower side. This is called skid steering, and it's managed by a sophisticated transmission and hydrostatic steering unit. The Abrams uses a T-bar instead of a steering wheel. Push forward to go straight, twist to turn. It's drive-by-wire. The T-bar sends electronic signals to adjust each track's speed. For sharp turns, the tank can spin in place. One track forward, one backward, a neutral turn. This agility lets the Abrams quickly face new threats, even in tight spaces. The system is robust, handling the immense forces of turning 70 tons of steel. The result, surprising agility for such a massive machine. That's how the Abrams maneuvers on the battlefield. The Abrams is legendary for its protection thanks to its secretive composite armor, layers of steel, ceramics, and plastics. Some models add depleted uranium mesh, making the front nearly impenetrable to most anti-tank weapons. This layered armor shatters, absorbs, and deflects incoming rounds, giving the crew a huge survival edge. But the real danger is ammo explosions. The Abrams stores main gun rounds in a separate armored compartment with blast doors and blowout panels. If hit, the explosion vents upward, sparing the crew. Automatic fire suppression and filtered air systems protect against fire, chemicals, and biological threats. Every design choice puts crew survival first. The Abrams isn't just a fortress, it's a life-saving machine. That's why it's trusted in the world's toughest battles. Now let's meet the crew inside. The Abrams runs on teamwork, a 4-person crew, each with a vital role. The tank commander sits highest, scanning the battlefield, making tactical calls and directing the team. The gunner, below the commander, aims and fires the main gun and machine guns, using advanced optics and thermal sights. The loader, on the left, handles the heavy 120mm rounds, loads the gun, and keeps weapons ready. The driver, alone in the hull, steers and navigates, keeping the tank moving and using terrain for cover. Each job is demanding, requiring skill, focus, and trust. Together they turn a steel giant into a fighting force. The Abrams is only as good as its crew. Their coordination is what makes the tank unstoppable. Now let's see what firepower they control. The Abrams' main weapon is the M1A2 120mm smoothbore cannon. Smoothbore means no rifling, perfect for firing high-velocity, fin-stabilized darts. The tank uses 2 main ammo types, APF-SDS, a dense metal dart for piercing armor, and heat, an explosive round for softer targets and airbursts. The APF-SDS round sheds its sabot after leaving the barrel, sending a dart at over 3,500 mph to punch through enemy tanks. The heat round creates a jet of molten metal to burn through armor or detonate above troops. Loading and firing is a team effort. The commander calls the target, the loader selects and loads the round, the gunner aims, and with the command, "Fire!" the shot is unleashed. This manual process is fast, reliable, and devastating. The Abrams can deliver rapid, accurate fire under extreme conditions. It's not just about power, it's about precision and teamwork. That's what makes the Abrams gun so effective. But hitting a moving target at long range? That's where technology takes over. Let's look at the fire control system. Hitting a distant, moving target while bouncing across rough ground is a huge challenge. The Abrams fire control system solves it with sensors, computers, and stabilizers. The gunner's sight includes daylight, thermal, and laser rangefinder channels, seeing through darkness, smoke, or camouflage. The laser measures exact distance. The computer instantly factors in wind, air pressure, ammo type, and even barrel droop. A gyroscopic stabilizer keeps the gun locked on target, no matter how the tank moves. The result? The gun appears to float, staying aimed even as the tank pitches and rolls. The ballistic solution is calculated in less than a second. This tech gives the Abrams unmatched accuracy on the move. It's a game changer in fast-paced battles. That's the secret behind the Abrams' legendary firepower.